Welcome back to my channel. Today we're not gonna do anything about face. We're not gonna do anything about sewing, but we are going to be mathematicians today. So I encourage you all to like, share, subscribe and comment to my channel. Okay, so let's get right into it. So today we are solving quadratic equations and we're going to use the quadratic formula. And we all know the quadratic formula is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Alright, so here I have this equation. X squared minus 2x minus 15 equals 0. And people, you know it has to be in the standard form before we can use this quadratic formula, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay people, so the first thing we're going to do is find our a and our b and our c. So in this case, the coefficient of a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, and c is equal to minus 15. So we are now going to plug our a, our b, and our c into our quadratic formula. So in this case, my b is negative 2. Remember guys, the coefficient of b is 1. So this would be negative 1. So it's negative 1 times negative 2. That will give us a positive 2 plus or minus the square root of b, which is negative 2, raised to the power of 2 minus 4, our a, which is 1, and our c, which is negative 15. And that is all divided by 2 times a, which is 1. Students, everything is divided by 2a, not just the square roots, but everything. Alright? From here, now we're gonna pretty up this now because it kind of looks messy. So, as I said, we need to clean this up. So, we have our 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 minus 4 times 1 times negative 15 will give us negative 60 divided by 2. Cleaning it up again. So this is 2 plus or minus the square root of 64, because minus and minus will give us a positive, and divided by 2. Now we're going to find the square root of 64. So we're going to have 2 plus or minus the square root of 64, which is 8, divided by 2. Now remember there's a plus or minus, so we're going to split. Alright, so over this side we would have 2 plus 8 divided by 2. This is equal to 10 divided by 2. So 1 of our x is equal to 5. And the other one now is 2 minus 8 divided by 2. This is equal to negative 6 divided by 2, which is give us negative 3. So in all, our 2 would have x is equal to 5 and x is equal to negative 3. Now guys, if I have this question 3x squared minus 5x plus 10 is equal to 9, it is not in the standard form. So I need to let where my right hand side is where my 9, it has to be equal to 0. I have to kill this 9. So the only way I kill this 9, because it is a positive, I would have to minus 9. And what I do to one side, I have to do it to the other side. So now my equation will be 3x squared minus 5x, okay, plus 1 equals 0. Kaboom! So guys, we're now going to pick up our A, B, and our C. So our A in this case is equal to 3. Our B is equal to minus 5. And our C is equal to 1. And as we did before, we're just going to plug our A and our B and our C into our formula. Alright? So our B becomes positive 5 again because it's a negative, and remember our b is negative 1b. So this is 5 plus or minus the square root of minus 5 raised to the power of 2 minus 4 times our a is 3 times our c, which is 1, all divided by 2 times 3. So guys, now we're going to clean it up again. So this is equal to 5 plus or minus the square root, 5 times 5, that's 25, minus 4 3 is 12, times 1 is equal to 12, divided by 3 times 2, that is 6. We still need to clean it up again. So we'll have 5 again, plus or minus the square root of 13 divided by 6. Still need to clean it up. Alright, you can leave it as it is, or you guys. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and look out for our next video. Have a blessed day now.